Hello everyone. So we'll be talking about the lion capital of Ashoka today. You all know that the lion capital is a structure of four Asiatic lions standing back to back, and they are mounted on this elaborate base. The capital was originally placed at Sarnath on an Ashokan pillar by Emperor Ashoka during his rule over the Mauryan Empire. This might be because Sarnath was the place where Buddha delivered his first sermon, and being an ardent follower of Buddhism, it was an obvious choice for Ashoka. This capital is now placed at the Sarnath Museum, and the pillar is still at its original location. Let's talk about the symbolism of the lion capital, as in what exactly the capital signifies. As I've already said, that Ashoka was an ardent follower of Buddhism, and so he constructed the pillar along with the capital to spread the message of Buddhism and kind of inspire the common mass to take up Buddhism as their religion. Like for example, the chakras that you can see at the base of the four lions signify the eightfold path that is told in Buddhism, which can take one person from the materialistic world towards the path of nirvana. Open mouthed lions that you can see could have been a representation of the Buddha himself, for he belonged to the Shakya clan, which literally translates to lion, and he is called the Shakya Muni. If we consider that, then the lions would signify Buddha, spreading the word of universal peace and love amongst everyone. Now, historians have told that a chakra was mounted on top of the lions previously, which is referred to as the Dharma chakra or the Ashoka chakra, and unfortunately it couldn't have been retrieved because when the Ashokan pillar was discovered, it was found in a dismantled condition. One can assume that this Dharma chakra could have signified nirvana or moksha, which roughly translates to release from the materialistic world. Here are some interesting facts about the lion capital that I think every one of us should be aware of. And I'm sure all of you know this, that the lion capital was adopted as the national emblem of India on 26 January 1950. National emblem, you can see the word Satyamev Jayate, which translates to truth alone triumphs, written below it, which has been taken from the Mundaka Upanishad. You might be wondering that why did India suddenly select this particular monument as its national emblem. Former Prime Minister Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru has said that the Ashokan period can be denoted as an international period in the history of India, for it was a time when ambassadors of India went far away in foreign countries to spread their word. Now, it was not with the intention of imperialistic ideas, but they went as ambassadors of peace, love, and brotherhood, and this is what Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru wanted India to be, that is, an ambassador of peace and love, and hence the selection. The lion capital in its totality, that is with the Ashokan chakra mounted on its top, has been adopted as the official emblem of the Supreme Court of India. There is also the Sanskrit saying Yato dharmas tato jaya written below the figure, which can be translated to where there is justice, there is victory. Not just modern times, the Ashokan lion capital has had an impact in the past as well. For example, the official seal of the Mughal is a very evident representation of the Ashokan chakra, which one can see on the lion capital. The Star of India, which is a series of flags used by the British during their stay in India, is loosely based on the Ashokan chakra. I'm sure you were all aware of this small fact that during 1940s, that is just before our independence, the currency notes that we used had George VI picture on them. Now, these were replaced in 1947, that is after our independence, by our official emblem, that is the lion capital, in a series known as the Lion Capital series, and these were used until 1966 when the RBI introduced the Mahatma Gandhi series that we currently use. So, this was a brief overview of the lion capital of Ashoka. If you have any questions, Feel free to drop them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.